Why did Oprah, Stevie Wonder, and Kenan Thompson steal the show on the third night of the Democratic Convention? Let's dive in. Last night, Tim Walz took the stage, invoking his humble roots in military service. He fired up the crowd with football metaphors, promising to turn the page on Donald Trump and build a country where workers come first. Then, Oprah Winfrey made an unannounced appearance, denouncing dangerous rhetoric and praising Kamala Harris's candidacy. She joined a star-studded lineup including Stevie Wonder and Kenan Thompson, who brought humor and heart to the event. Bill Clinton, speaking for the 12th time at a Democratic convention, warned against complacency and lauded Harris as a symbol of hope. He urged Democrats to choose unity over division. The night also featured emotional appeals from parents of a Hamas hostage and strong statements on LGBTQ+ rights. Speakers emphasized the stakes of the upcoming election, urging voters to choose joy, unity, and progress. Stay tuned for more updates, comment, and subscribe for the latest political highlights.